Welcome to Garden Tour Saturday. This is hosted by Grandma Sandy, and I've decided to give you a quick little view of my fairy garden. And this time I put little moss-covered rabbits in the bird cages. Aren't they cute? And so there's a view of my fairy garden. Now I show this every Fairy Garden Thursday, so I'm just going to make this a quick little view right now. And then I'll be taking you around to my hydrangea garden and the front landscaping with my rose bushes. Okay, here are my pink hydrangeas. Aren't they just gorgeous? So I've got one pink hydrangea bush and two blue. And they're both just blooming beautifully right now. And I do clip them, take them inside every now and then. And I've already even dried them before. And there's my little hummingbird welcome sign that was from Amazon. And the other blue hydrangea bush. These have been in the ground quite a few years. That's why they're as big as they are. But I think they're just gorgeous. Okay, here is the front porch area, and there's been a few new purchases. The planters in front of the door, some new plants that I purchased from Lowe's, and here's my potted fairy garden. And on the table here I have this new plant. I have the tag here, a Serena Mixture Angelona by Moravia. And here I have a new dragon and fairy in the fern here that was purchased from Walmart. And some pretty pink petunias. But isn't that gorgeous? I think it looks really good in the ferns. And this is a faux plant here in the corner. It just kind of brightens up that corner. More pink petunias. Now the planters were purchased from Amazon, and also the faux plants. And the wreath here is a DIY. Now we're going to be painting the door a sage green probably in the next week or two. So stay tuned for that. And here are my red roses. Aren't they just beautiful? And they smell really good too. And over here on the end, I have my pink flowering crepe myrtle. I'm waiting for it to bloom. I can see some buds on it, so it won't be too much longer. And there's my cat Toby. And here is another crepe myrtle. It is called a muskegee. It is more of a lavender color flower. And it's budding as well, so it won't be much longer for that. I think crepe myrtles are some of the prettiest trees. I absolutely love them. I planted 3, so I have one more that is a red dynamite and it's in the backyard. I didn't show that today, but it's beautiful as well. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to give a big thank you to Grandma Sandy for being the host.